I wanted to provide feedback on the electric salt pepper grinder that I purchased 3 months ago. I purchased it here off Amazon. At first, when I got it, it was great, amazing, and all those things until I had to refill the grinder. Okay? And I had the most difficult time just trying to refill it because this part right here that I'm twisting on right now would not come off. It would not. So I Googled it and it looked, and the advice was to soak it in hot water. So I soaked it in hot water, and yes, after a few moments, I was able to get the top off to refill. The first time, great. Now it is my second time filling up this salt grinder. So again, I did it previously, so I did it again, and again I did that, and now from soaking it in hot water, it is causing a malfunction. Because now it will not stop going. So I'm not even holding it upside down or anything like that. Well, no, I am. But this is a terrible design. If you want a salt grinder that's going to last, I recommend not this one. I purchased this 3 months ago, and it is a terrible design. So, feedback, mine is not great. I gave it 3 stars.
For each vessel, they were easy to put in, and the way you use these are so simple. Once you fill them up with what you want, which we were told to use the pepper of your choice, and I used the black peppercorn and coarse salt. I want to show you how quick they work. You just come up and down. That's it. So easy. I love this for children, and I love it for anyone who might be elderly and would struggle. They still get the fine taste of freshly ground salt and pepper. It has the light on it. It is a cool product. I give it 5 stars.
So this one no longer works. I've charged it. I've had it since January this year, February. It's worked beautifully. But today, it just stopped working. I would not purchase this again. And I think the time is too late to make get a refund. So, your choice.
All right, I have here the salt and pepper shakers that are electronic. They are so great. You push this button after they have had some time to charge with the USB, and turn those buttons on when you're ready to use it, and all you have to do is turn it upside down, and salt and pepper comes out. Fantastic. I love it. We use it on our Blackstone. We use it with all our food. It's a great product, and it puts out quite a bit, and you can control how much comes out with these little knobs on the top, which we really like. We're very happy with this product.
twist off this top there, you unlock it, and then you put in the batteries, fill it up down here. They work really well. You twist this part right here to make the finer or coarse or more coarse. So yeah.